Hi, team. We've decided to integrate a new third party analytics service to better track user interactions within our application. Mark, can you outline what this integration will involve?
Sure, Sarah. Integrating the new analytics service will require us to implement their SDK on the front end and set up API endpoints on the back end to handle data transmission. We'll also need to ensure that data privacy standards are met, especially concerning user consent.
From the backend side, I'll handle the API integration and ensure that our data flows securely to the analytics service. We'll need to update our data models to accommodate any additional fields required by the service.
On the front end, integrating the SDK means adding tracking scripts to our pages. I'll work on the design changes needed to display any consent prompts or privacy notices to users.
I'll gather requirements and ensure that we're compliant with relevant data protection regulations, such as GDPR. It's essential that we inform users about the data being collected and obtain their explicit consent.
Excellent! Mark, can you provide a timeline for this integration? How long do you estimate it will take from development to deployment?
I estimate around 3 weeks for the full integration. The first week will be for setting up the back-end APIs and updating the data models. The second week will focus on front-end integration and UI updates. The final week will be dedicated to testing and ensuring compliance with data privacy standards.
That sounds reasonable. I'll start with the backend setup next Monday. Do we have access to the third-party services documentation and support channels in case we run into issues?
Yes, I've already requested access to their developer portal and support resources. We should have all the necessary documentation to proceed.
I'll begin designing the consent prompts and privacy notices today. Once the designs are ready, I'll share them with the team for feedback.
I'll draft the consent language and ensure it aligns with legal requirements. I'll also coordinate with our legal team to review the content before implementation.
Great! Let's set up bi-weekly check-ins to monitor progress and address any challenges. If anyone needs additional resources or support, please let me know.
Got it. I'll prepare a detailed task list and assign responsibilities to ensure we stay on track.
Perfect. Let's make this integration smooth and ensure it adds value to our application. Thanks, everyone.